Hello guys, and welcome to another video by Tech Matters. Today I've got a new product to show you, and it's the Microsoft Universal Foldable Keyboard. It arrived today. I ordered it off Amazon, and yeah, I just thought I'd do a short unboxing just to show you kind of what you get in the box. Give you a little bit of background. I was one day just thinking, wouldn't it be great if you could have a keyboard that fit nicely in your pocket? Had a few Google searches, had a look on Amazon, and I found this device. There's a couple out there, there's a few unbranded Chinese imports, but this, in terms of quality and, well, overall look and design, is unbeatable. It is literally the best device out there in my opinion, and obviously it has the Microsoft branding and the Microsoft quality. The purpose of this, of course, is to use it on a tablet or maybe a phone of some device. The great thing about this is it can do Windows, Android and iPhone or iPad. So it's completely out of the box, can connect to majority of Bluetooth devices. So I'm just going to open it up, and when it arrives it actually comes in this really nice packaging from Microsoft. If you've ever owned a Surface before, you'll know that Microsoft do a really good job with their hardware. A bit Apple-esque, but with their own kind of spin on it. So if you open it up, you kind of get greeted with the actual device here, which is in a nice sort of slate grey, and then on the left hand side you get instructions on how to actually use it. It's pretty straightforward. You open it up, you sync, you add it to your device settings, and away you go. You get 3 months, let me get it right, 3 months of charge with this device, which is pretty phenomenal. It means you won't be charging it very often. I'm just going to fold this out here. I'll leave that for 2 seconds. I'll just put that there. In terms of this, you get a manual, which I'm sure it's actually fixed in. That's quite interesting. So you have to slide that out. So I'll leave that in there for now. You get a charging cable in there. You can see that there's a charging cable, USB. And like I say, every 3 months you require this. So to go onto the device itself, I'm just going to close that. That's quite a nice touch, by the way. If you can see that, that's a magnetic clip-on. So fancy, quite unnecessary, but quite a nice finish on the device. Leave that there. And the device itself, on the front, comes with the Microsoft branding, very sleek. And on the back, you have all the standards. Quite great. You probably can't see it on your screens, but it's very faint. You can see all the standards on there. But extremely nice piece of kit. It is very small. I've tested it. It does fit in your pocket. You might want to look into potentially getting a case for this. I'm not sure yet. But if I open it up, there it is. It splits down the middle. That's the design. I've played around with it for about a couple of minutes, and it did take me a little bit. Yeah, like I say, it took me a little bit of time just to get used to this break in the middle. But you will get used to it quite quickly. As mentioned, you've got your power button at the top, all the way across like a standard keyboard. But the interesting part here is the syncing. So I can actually, if I hit this button here, you can see there, I'm cycling between Windows, iPhone, and Android. And then the other great feature about this as well is it has 2 channels. So at the minute I've got channel 1 synced with my phone. I could potentially have channel 2 synced with the TV, and I can quickly go between the two. So it's very agile and very quick. Give you an idea of, this is where it really shines how thin it is. So it's still going to be, it's pretty long. It's shorter than a normal keyboard, but still quite long. But when it's folded up and it's that thin, you really are onto a winner. And it is, I can't remember the exact diameters, but to give you an idea, that's the size of the case. It's pretty small, and it feels good in your hand as well. It's got a nice textured sort of matte effect on, and yeah, I'm very pleased with it. So like I said at the beginning, if you were looking for to use your phone to write emails or write documents on the go, then yeah, this would be a perfect device for you. Or you could just pair it like any normal thing with an Android TV or an iPad of some device. I hope you guys have found that useful. If you've got any questions about the device, how I'm using it, how I'm getting on, just put it in the comments below, and I'll answer as I go along. Cheers, thanks guys.